Hi, I've just received a package from Medal. Are you curious to see what's inside? It's a new product on the market, so you can only guess. But let's not keep you waiting. Let's unbox it together. Yes, it's the SONNET 3, the latest audio processor from Medal. Thanks to my research collaboration with Medal, I've received one unit for testing. Over the next few weeks, I will be testing the SONNET 3 and sharing my impressions with you. To stay updated, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. In the next episode, I will be unboxing all the accessories, and in the future ones, I will share my thoughts and go over the features of the latest model. See you soon!